Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be starting a new series that's of unboxing videos. And the first product that we have today is the DALI Sonik 1. So this speaker has been released recently, and this is the successor to the DALI's Oberon series. This is the box that it came in, and I wanted to make a video of the unboxing because, well, it's an experience, and sometimes people want to know what exactly do you get when you purchase something. So, and also, I will also give my first impressions of the DALI Sonic 1. Of course, I'll be testing it out. I'll be listening to it for at least a week before I give my review on it. So, yeah, and also these speakers are in collaboration with AV Shack, and these speakers are there on their website for 75,000 rupees, and you can purchase them if you like. So let's start with the unboxing. So on the box, there are some instructions. They're printed over here on how exactly you're supposed to take it out. So it basically tells us that you're supposed to flip this upside down, let it all come out, and then, take out the top. So let's just follow what these guys say. Okay, do we have something else in the box? Okay, there's nothing else in the box. And you have the speakers here. Oh, so okay, the grills are in polythene, plastic. The grills are in plastic. So just take out the grills. And yeah, these are definitely magnetic. Magnetic cloth with micropores on it. So this is nice grill. Okay. And this one is in treatment. So it's got 4 magnets and the DALI logo. Okay. So let's check out the speakers. So I think you can see the design of, let me just, okay, this is to protect the tweeter. So we've got on each speaker. That's a nice touch. Okay, so we've got the Sonic branding over here. We've got the tweeter over here, and we've got five and 5.25 inches of woofer size. Now, these, I think these are new design from the Oberon series. Quite sturdy, and these are definitely all metal. So the binding posts are nice upgrade. These are definitely metal. Yeah. Good quality. Simple binding posts, just 2 of them. And I don't think anybody is going to need any bi-amping or bi-wiring for these speakers, at least. These speakers, the specifications of these are, well, if you look at the specifications, I would think that these are hard to drive, but let's see what happens. These are 6 ohms, 86 dB sensitivity, so they might need more power. But overall, this is the black ash finish. So, and yeah, as you can see over here, it's got, well, a hanger as well. You can hang it, but I wouldn't recommend that because these are rear ported speakers, and they will need, room to breathe. So hanging, unless and until I think you're really bound for space, and you're using them as rares, then only I think these binding posts would make sense. But to my surprise, these are a little smaller than what I imagined them to be. So let's see how much power they have, and let's check them out with the grill. So not bad. I like them. Quite an inert cabinet. So overall impressions, um, these definitely look good. The black is something that is to everyone's, they come in a bunch of different colors, so it's up to you how you want to match them. But the black looks nice. The grills with gray to the black, I think they complement the design. This is vinyl. It's seems like vinyl, to be honest, but the binding posts are something really that I really like. All metal, heavy binding posts, and well, yeah. So yeah, this was the unboxing video of the DALI Sonic ones, and I'll have a video about uh, the performance of these, and basically an in-depth review of these speakers. So stay tuned in for the full review of the Sonic ones. So when I was unboxing, I was a little surprised that I didn't get any kind of pamphlet or not, and turns out it was right there. Uh, while I was turning the box, it fell out. So yeah. So let's just see what DALI has given us over here. Okay, these are the branded 3M electronics, and these are rubber pads. Uh, two sets of rubber pads, so that I'm guessing that they don't make noise or don't rattle, to prevent rattling. Yeah. And these are legs, silicone legs. So there should be 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you've got silicone legs, again 3M branded. So stuff, small stuff, but useful stuff in case you have that rattling problem. So yeah, this is to prevent any kind of rattling. Although in a speaker this smaller size, unless and until it's a very hard surface and uneven surface, you won't require these. Register and registering your DALI. Okay, there's a registration as well. So it's got a QR code. You can go there and register your product. Then we have this pamphlet, standard stuff, but somebody who's a first time, and that definitely helpful for them. So that's it. That's the total unboxing video of the DALI Sonic 1.